Guys, if I don't score a hat trick this game, I have to rip my Shantae shirt.
I wanted to wear the Bolsonaro t-shirt, but it's gonna be that hot.
Okay, I got an assist and my ping's awful, baby. Yeah.
I couldn't tell because your mic lagged. I couldn't tell if you said shut up or if you sheeshed.
Get it, Chase.
Oh.
I fucked up. I'm sorry. I am gonna make a formal apology for missing that shot.
Better do it. Alright, apology accepted.
Alright, thank you.
Oh.
Okay, apology accepted for killing me.
The last time it was like really hot outside. I wore one of my wife beaters to school. And my teacher got so pissed at me.
Why?
What is happening?
I don't even want to
Marco?
play anymore. How did I mess that? Yeah, she got pissed at me because I guess it was like not school appropriate.
Ooh.
It was as if I'm like,
You know what they say about beating wife, Chase.
wifely
Not
owned.
school appropriate.
Wifely.
Not school.
Chase, didn't you get like dress coded like 20 times in freshman year?
Yeah, because I have a Shantae shirt and I
Yeah,
wore
because you had
that.
the Shantae.
He's like, no, you can't wear that. I'm like, why? It's a cool shirt. I'm like, no, you can't.
Why did you keep wearing it?
Because I liked the shirt and I wanted them to get mad at me. No, they kept, okay, so they kept sending me up to like the office and the person that I got sent to was like, he
They
didn't.
like out to you again, the Shantae guy.
Now we're going to an October 31st Halloween party.
Let's go!
Chase, you bozoed me.
I bozoed all of you and you all look super bozoed right now.
I don't want to hear anything from Mr. Head Clown Bozo himself. L ratio. Plus fuck
ratio,
you.
plus you can, plus you like freshmen.
I didn't mean it, Chase.
I know.
Don't worry, Chase, I got you.
Thank you.
You got this pet.
Whoa, he just pinned me! Okay, I see how it is, Mr. Vinny Tazaro. Ooh.
Oh my god, no, Puppet Sosa.
Apology accepted.
Apology unaccepted.
Acceptance next me now.
Only my car was fast.
Eight booba.
That's
But
a
yeah,
save.
Marco, guess what I played today?
I will.
I played Persona 5.
Persona?
Soner?
But do you look like a Persona 5 character?
Yeah, I look like Ryuji.
I don't know who that is. I never played it. You should go as that one character. He has like the black
I'm
hair
gonna
and he wears
cosplay
like
as
black
someone.
and red. I think his,
Yusuke. Oh no.
I think his name is Batman or something.
No,
there's something like Batman. Oh, did you know he's in the Smash Bros game? Yeah, that's insane.
No, he's in the Nickelodeon fighting.
Oh, is his name Lincoln Loud?
Okay.
That was almost insane.
Chase go.
Holy crap.
Okay,
Some-
I'm like
do something.
spazzing
Do it.
around.
Do it. Do it.
Who's using the
No.
microwave?
Marco!
Look, oh my car, dude! I can't play like this. I can't play like this. I'm sorry, Will, but might make.
Go, somebody go get it. It's centered.
Will, you're pretty much stuck in a
sound like
1v3
Will got
right
it.
now, and I don't know how I can help you.
It's okay.
It's not okay.
Chase.
If you lose, I'll cry.
He wears a Shantae shirt.
It's so. Do you want me to get it?
Big game.
That would be funny.
Alright, after this game.
Chase.
Ooh, what a goal!
What a side.
What a side!
It's so funny because it's like a game of Pong. It like goes across the one
Yeah.
side of the field and then
just basically.
oh, I fucked it up.
We won!
I think I got juked by Will.
It's
I'm
over.
not-
Oh, now my.
Done.
Oh, now my pink. Oh,
I got
never
all
mind.
2 goals. What?
798.
No! The pink's going up! Oh no. Oh jeez.
Chase,
Whoa, Vinny the Dark One.
Give me a minute.
Skyrocketing.
Chase.
Oh,
Chase.
Chase climbing the ladder.
For now. We can switch out.
Can I get owned right now?
Why do I?
Situation.
I suck at this game. Oh, what the hell? Get off the microwave! I
Do you
swear.
have any?
Wrong way, bozo.
Yeah, I got wrong way, Bozo.
Chase meets BTS if you win this game.
Yeah, no. BTS meets
Oh,
me.
fuck.
BTS meets me if we win.
BTS beats him. Yeah.
Persona.
I messed up completely.
That's not good.
Wait, assist.
We're getting bodied
Die,
completely.
cunt.
Yeah, I just needed to turn on my monitor. I got
I wanted to see Will
Oh,
kill-
he needed
kill
it.
Vinny.
Okay, the monitors.
Yeah,
now.
turn around, and then you can watch it.
That was fun.
Oh my gosh, why is it just me with off? What? I got pushed sideways, dude! I was gonna go straight for the ball and I got pushed sideways out of the ball area. It's okay, we'll score though.
Oh my god.
Marco, this isn't good for us.
This is not good.
That did not go the right
Prime
way.
time for me.
That didn't go the right way.
Holy shit.
It's okay, I can
Right,
still
Chase,
score goals.
someone's alive.
I can still score a Rocket League goal.
Rocket.
See, we were doomed to
Oh.
fail there.
All three of us were lined up.
Go for it.
MF Doom! Oh my,
Oh my controller is breaking again.
No, I'm actually done for tomorrow.
Fuck, it's over.
Oh.
Damn it, man.
How was that chase?
Because Chase hit it
Chase hit it.
you. Right there.
Oh, I thought I hit it. Oh, I did hit
No,
it.
you did.
They keep like scoring it off of each other. It's so hard to predict shit like that.
yeah, we actually have a team plan. Actually, I think I know why, because it's a 3-on-1 constantly, and you're just hanging out in the back of your own goal.
That is sort of why you guys are winning.
If I leave goal, you're just gonna. We have open defense and you're gonna get
Yeah,
us.
but you also
Yeah,
need
but
to
because you're
be
inside.
able to play both.
No. Look.
What?
How does that happen?
How did?
And then you hit it in. I just hit you there.
Let's go chase the triple combo.
You know, at first I've scored goals on my own goal and I got upset, but I just learned to embrace it at this point.
No, literally, if it's going towards your goal and you're
just
up
got
by like
hit
at
for, like,
least 3 or
10
4,
seconds
just fucking
straight.
own goal, it's fine.
Yeah.
Especially in custom games like this.
That's not it. That's fuck. How did?
It's in.
It is in. Watch this.
I think we can get 5 goals, Marco.
Pussy!
What? Yeah.
Pussy.
Oh, boy.
Pussy!
That's funny. I drove away from the ball. Hold on.
Well, you
I
took
didn't
advantage
see
of me
what
when I was
happened
gone.
there,
You took advantage of me when I was gone.
Go Chase, go Chase.
There we go.
That's it.
Go,
There
go,
we
go,
go.
go, go.
There we go.
After moving it 1 inch. There.
Fucked up completely.
I wish you had a player like me in your team. Oh wait, you do.
Oh, we do. Of course it's
It's
Will.
so hard with 3 of them. Okay.
Check this aerial, baby!
Oh, what an aerial! Oh my god!
4 points. You ready?
Will's funny.
And we're 3 of them. Okay? Just want you to know that.
Oh my god. Oh, Vinny.
Hit it in!
This one.
Let's go!
Guys, if I don't score a hat trick this game, I have to rip my Shantae shirt.
No.
So please let me score 1 more goal. Oh, what a pinch.
Let's go, Case. It's your time.
Please let me score. No, I hit it the wrong frickin' way!
God damn it. We messed up. Everybody
Whoa,
messed up.
Marco
You wrong
Savage!
way, Bosa.
Marco's trying to...
Yeah, okay,
Marco's
2 goals.
trying to
Vinny,
make
let's
me
go.
lose. Marco's trying to make me...
Chase, you're on the other team. I want you to lose. What the fuck are you on about?
No, you don't. You make me want to rip... You're gonna try to make me rip my Shantae shirt. How messed up is that, huh?
You have to do it on video too.
Oh, it's a
Put
Will.
it in your video.
I am
pinches.
recording. Wait, please. No, Marco, Cooper, why would you do that? Oh,
Petty Ariel.
Go, Marco.
Marco gaming.
I'm.
Got hit with the wrong.
no! Theo's off! Theo's off! Theo's off! Haha, just floating me like...
Can't just switch it up.
We both fucked up.
No, I was trying.
Wait, was I was the only
was awful.
asshole to not score a hat trick.
Oh, look at this.
Oh my god.
Wait,
Oh no.
wait.
How long you seen this?
The JC won a goal. Look.
Just so easy for... Wow, you tried 1v fraying me, and that's what happened. Okay. Okay. Oh, now Vinny's on my team. Thanks, Vinny.
But the power of Tazara and Triggle is unmatched.
Yeah.
I mean, we kind of have a rivalry thing.
I know, but
Or
we're
was that
together
resolved?
stronger.
I think
don't know.
that
That's
will...
a bloodline still.
Tazara and Triggle be nice and eat some yummy rice.
Okay, bro, what's going on?
Tazara and Triggle.
Let's go. Set
on?
up, set up, set up.
Wait, did I steal that from
Are you
Vinny?
just playing for us?
I'm playing for everyone.
Oh, that
Chase,
was right
why?
on the goal.
Sorry.
Or he doesn't cut it, bitch.
Whoa! Okay, Marco. Okay, Marco. I see how it is. I see how it is, Marco. Fuck you! Oh, uh-oh. Never mind video.
I saw
You
it.
you cut out
I
my
watched your
favorite
whole
thing I
video.
said in that video.
What was
Okay.
it?
There's L plus ratio.
I stopped watching after it. You cut, like I say, like, I don't remember exactly what I say. It's like, she doesn't have a hose. How is she gonna drink water? I like that joke a lot.
Well, I promised Marco I'm not gonna put the whole hose conversation in there.
Yeah, I did tell him not to put the whole thing in.
You know
Right,
what?
watch
You know
the
what?
video.
You know what, Marco?
Actually,
I
I'm
mean,
thinking about unsubscribing now.
Good. Fuck you then.
You know what?
Get it in.
Oh no, it's Vinny, no.
Oh, I see what you're doing now, Vinny. Okay. Thank God for Will.
All the fat pussies, all the fat pussies, all the fat pussies, all the fat pussies. I'm on your team, and the first thing you do is own me.
Oh, I didn't see you there.
Vinny, why are you?
What?
Because
Why did
Sugar
Vinny
is
switch back?
dingy.
Because I hate Chiggle.
Oh, I see.
You know, I thought you were gonna try to be nice and eat some yummy rice.
Tazara and Triggle be nice and eat some yummy rice.
But I see.
You got that
I see-
shot slot.
No, I got decked.
I'm just punching Chase this round.
It's okay.
Chase. Mouse.
You know what? I've had a change in heart as well.
Oh, oh Marco, it's this again.
Oh, now Will's back on their team. You know what? If you were so upset that you didn't, or that your favorite joke didn't get in, just ask for the video, and then you can make your own video.
Okay.
With Case's face cam.
Yeah, with my face cam, my gameplay.
Hey Vinny, wanna hear a joke?
Yeah.
You're short.
Hey, Vinny, wanna hear a joke?
Oh shit.
Wait. Vinny, I have a question.
Look at this, Will. Are you proud of me?
You're fucking stupid.
Who was there when you said that joke?
I told it to Charles, and I think I told it to Miguel, and I told it to some other people.
Me.
And it was actually like a joke, but I don't remember.
You told Vinny to not go to any shows because at the end all of the girls would walk up and be
I
like,
told
"Thank you for
Will.
going to the show. Thank you for going to the show."
I did tell Will.
And then Vinny like, of course, of course.
Of course, I love you, fucking.
Okay, I don't remember that part.
Oh! I got hit, like, I'm sorry, Marco, I fucked up your shot because somebody hit into me.
Yeah, that's me.
Bozo.
Blame it on fucking Cooper.
Yeah, cry,
Don't
cry,
go to
cry.
the-
I hate both the people
I
on
would
that
never
team.
get mine.
I hope both.
You hold. Yeah, good.
I hope both. I hope both have.
I hate my life.
I hope both
No!
have your
Let's
STDs.
go.
I hope the guy on the other team that's name starts with a T explodes.
No.
Why would you say that about Tonkatsu?
So mean.
My bad. Sorry.
Remember the one time Cooper played and just demoed Aiden for 5 minutes straight?
He got 17 fucking demolitions.
And most of them were on
They
Aiden.
were all Aiden.
I think I remember why Aiden hates
Aiden
Rocket
was
League.
mauling
No,
so
no,
hard.
Cooper was
Cooper
deafened,
couldn't-
and Aiden
yeah.
was just yelling at a void. Aiden was donut walling himself. Just kept like, Cooper!
I don't know how he was able to do so many
No,
demos.
because he literally would get like the
That's all he was
burst,
doing.
and then Aiden would respawn, and he'd just kill Aiden.
You know what? I've had another change of heart.
No.
Yeah,
What?
this
That's
is
so messed
Wow.
up. Okay.
you take
Thanks,
you
Will.
take out
Thanks,
good
Will.
jokes from your videos and you're left all alone.
Oh,
This
you know
is
what?
the moral
Fuck
of
you.
the story.
I'll make a separate video just for Vinny's bitch baby joke.